welcome to Deepika Makeup. Hope you're all doing super awesome. So today's video is one of the most requested video. Ever since I shared my pattu saree collection, I got a lot of comments on that video, and also on a constant basis I get a lot of comments on my Instagram to share my closet. So today I'm going to share my Indian closet. Basically, I've separated all my Indian clothes from my other clothes and I organized them separately in a separate closet, and ever since I did that, it is so much easier for me to put together Indian outfits. When all of these are together, it was kind of overwhelming for me, and now that I've divided, even if I want to do a Indo-Western look, I pick out the Indian piece that I want and I go into my other closet and decide what pieces to add to this Indian garment, and I feel like this is working for me way better than everything mixed together. I've taken over our guest bedroom closet and converted into my Indian closet, and I have a lot of progress to do in terms of organizing this closet even more, but then this is how it is right now. It's working great for me. I'm not going to go through each and every piece. I'm just going to give an overview, and so without any further ado, let's take a tour of my Indian closet. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to give a tour of my Indian closet, and these are all the Indian wear I have. Like every little Indian piece I have are in this closet. I'm not going to go through each and every piece because obviously it's going to take too much time, but then I'm just going to show how I organize things. So right when you enter, that is how it looks. All my sarees are in front of me right there, lehengas, and in that starlight drawer I have blouses and petticoats, and to the left, if you see, are all my churidars, kurtis, and some suits that I've hung up, and also some dupattas. So let's go and see. So we'll start from the left side. So here I have 3 jackets, and I'm planning to add some more jackets to my closet because I feel like they're very versatile and I can pair on sarees or kurtas or even on jeans. So this is one ethnic kurti I have, which is very beautiful. Paired it with a saree. This I'm yet to pair. I got this as a set with a dress, and this one is quite unique. I got it from Shilpa Ramam, and this is a knee length jacket, and you can wear it this way or you can reverse it and wear it this way as well, and the pattern is very pretty. And then I have some dupattas. This is a linen, fulkari, and also a bandhani, like a vintage bandhani dupatta from my college days. I really like this fulkari dupatta. I got this from Delhi Haat. And another hanger with some airy dupattas. This is just a plain one. This is a bandhani dupatta. I really like the tie-dye pattern on this one, and this is just that standard bandhani dupatta. I really like the color on this one. And then I have a hanger of shawls. I just have 3. My parents had a lot of these shawls. I just got 3 of them, so I can pair them with sarees in winters. So this is a beautiful pashmina, and this is also a pashmina. Really beautiful pattern. And this one I already paired with a saree. The pictures I took in snow, I paired this one, and yeah, you can see all my saree looks on my Instagram. And then moving on, I have some suits, and these are the suits that don't fold well. These are flowy materials, so I just hung them up, and some of these are new, most of these are actually old, but I kept the ones that I liked, that fit well, and rest all I actually decluttered when I was going to India. So these are some suits, some anarkali suits start from here, and yeah, I'm not able to wear any of these dresses. Oh my god, this is my least favorite. I don't know why I still have it. When I was organizing this, I found this, and this needs to be decluttered, and I don't know what to do with this. It's a Banarasi one, but it has a lot of work on it, and I really don't like this much of work going on. So yeah, and this one is another plain anarkali. So I'm not able to wear all these because I'm feeding my baby right now, and it's not possible to feed when I'm out in these dresses. So these are just laying in there taking rest, but all these dresses I've used a lot of times already. Another anarkali suit my brother got from, I think, Neeru's. Yeah, whenever I ask him to get some dresses, he usually goes to Neeru's. That's the only place he knows because that's where I used to shop when I was in India. So this is another suit that I want to get rid of. This is a brasso material. Too much work. I don't like it. And this one is one of my birthday dresses. I don't really like that much of embroidery, but I really like the colors. And from here starts some of my long dresses. This is a ikat, still yet to dress wear that, and this one is something that I picked up from Delhi, from Greater Kailash. And this is also a beautiful matka jamdani uh, fabric and some mica print on it. I picked this up from Vastya from Greater Kailash. It's a very unique dress. It's a long dress, but it has some pattern at the bottom. I already paid this on one birthday. You can see that picture on my Instagram. This one is shibori. Really like that color tie-dye going on. And back there I have this really heavy lehenga that I wore for my brother's wedding. I'm planning to reuse it for my kid's birthday this in couple of months. So that's laying there. And there's another heavy lehenga that's just right here. It doesn't have any spots, so it's just lying there. And I've put aside some clothes that I want to declutter or maybe revive or upcycle. So those are right there. Okay. These two piles are all kurtis, and 99% of these are actually new. I've actually decluttered all my kurtis, and when I went to India I got all these to wear when I was there, and I brought some of them here. So I think, yeah, these three are old and this one needs to be thrown out. I don't know why it's in here. That's also old, but rest of them are all new, and I can't wait to wear these. I'm just waiting for my breastfeeding journey to be done so I can wear all these again. And then I have this pile, yeah, two piles of chudidars. Again, all of these are new. I've actually decluttered every chudidar I have and got new ones, except I think, yeah, these two are old ones, but otherwise all of these are new. And then this pile is skirts and also pant and dupatta sets. So these three are pajama and dupatta sets that I can pair with any kurti, and then these three are long skirts. So that is all we have on this side. Now let's move on to what we have on this side. These are all my sarees and blouses and blah blah. So I will start with the drawer and then move up. Okay, on the top of the drawer I have lehengas. This is a langaoni, ikat langaoni I wore for my birthday. This lehenga I wore for my brother's sangeet, a very old lehenga. This is my son's first birthday lehenga. This is a gold raw silk lehenga I got stitched so I can wear with a lot of silk sarees. So all the lehengas are right here. Okay, now opening the drawer, in the first drawer I have all mix and match blouses. I have all these crop tops. Yeah, all the way back are all crop tops, and these are all mix and match blouses that I randomly got stitched. They don't go with any of the blouse sarees, and whenever I feel like I want to mix and match, I come to this drawer. In the second drawer I have more mix and match blouses. The fabrics I randomly got stitched so I can pair with sarees. The rest of these are all matching blouses from sarees. This is also a mix and match blouse. I just wore it yesterday, so that's when it's in here. But yeah, so these are all matching blouses. I should have some more. Yeah, I have some more mix and match blouses near my filming area because I'm yet to film the blouses for pattu saree video, so that's why some are missing. But yeah, these are all my blouses. Then in the bottom drawer are all petticoats. I normally don't buy matching petticoats unless and until the saree is very sheer and I need a petticoat for that. I just go for the nearest shade. That's how my mom does it, so I'm just used to doing that way. So unless and until the saree is sheer, or for any specific saree I need these satin petticoats, I get them stitched. But otherwise I just have some basic colors, white skin shades, black, red, green, blue, and some basic colors, and I just get away with this. And I have some leggings and straight pants here for some kurtis. Alright, now moving on to the spot I reach for the most, my favorite, my sarees. So I have some sarees that are hung up right here, and these are the sarees that don't fold well, the falling material ones. So this is half and half saree that I wore yesterday, and I ended up not liking it, so I'm going to revive it. Another saree that I haven't worn yet, and this is a saree that I didn't wear after my wedding time. It's one of the sarees from my wedding trousseau, and this is a Banarasi saree that my grandma got when she visited to Kashi, Varanasi. And this is a vintage saree. It's like really old. This is from my college days, and I think I got this for like one of the college functions. It's one of my favorite sarees. I wore it a couple of times. There's a picture in my Deepika Saree Diary hashtag. This is my all-time favorite pure Georgette saree. This is a saree, I think it's pure crepe, and my mom got this pearl work done on it. It's very old, but the embroidery is still intact, and one of my favorite sarees. And this is the saree I wore when I first met my husband. And this one is a brasso, really beautiful material. And this is a Lehengas saree, and this is a soft knit saree. I'm yet to wear it, and I got this on my recent trip to India. It was just a fabric, but it works very well as a saree, or it works beautifully as a lehenga as well. And this is a pure chiffon saree, and it has this print, silver print all over the saree, but the border is actually organza. So there's an organza border and there's embroidery on it. This is one of the sarees from my wedding trousseau, and this is a half and half saree. So half of the saree is a peacock color Banarasi that you can see right here, and half of the saree is a soft knit saree with this work on it. And this is one of the sarees during my wedding time, engagement time actually. This is another saree from my college days. I think I wore this for a freshers party, the one we give to our juniors. So that's that. And this is I don't know what this material is. I think it's called marble silk or something, and I got these mirrors stitched on it, one of my wedding trousseau saree. And this one, I'm not sure what material it is. I am thinking it's a organza tissue, but I'm still not sure. So I'm assuming this is a organza tissue. It has gold tissue on this beautiful organza material, and the work is all mirrors, and also there's this brasso, black brasso on it. It's a very beautiful and unique saree, I feel, and it's a gift from my atta for my wedding. And this is again a college function saree. I think I wore this for I don't know, like freshers party, my seniors, the one my seniors give to us when we join the college. So I actually embroidered this one. So we got like a few months break after our intermediate. Before we joined the college, there was something that went on, and we got like a good 4 or 5 months break. So that's when I did all this work on the pallu. and this one is a Kashmir saree, and this is a kalamkari saree with Govardhana print on it on a pure crepe saree. Up top, I have some more sarees, and here are all my cottons: kasavu, linen, kota saree with Kashmir ari work. This is petero cotton. This is uppada cotton. This is Udupi cotton. I still have to get fall stitched on it. This is a kuppadam. This is a Madhubani print saree. This, I don't know what material it is. I'm not really a great fan of this saree either, but I wore it once. It's in my Deepika Saree Diary hashtag. This is a cocoon silk. This is a Varli print saree. Wore this again. I wore this as well. These two are uppadas. This is kanchi kora, but I think it's some kind of imitation, but I really like that. This is some kind of silk saree which I don't know. And this is Arani kanchi pattu, kanchi organza, and here I have one more uppada. And that one is a Banarasi Georgette. There's another Banarasi in this bag. This is a double ikat saree, Telia Rumal. This is a Banarasi, and I don't know what's in here. There should be another Banarasi, because this one I kept it for ikats and Banarasis, this pile. Back there you cannot see, but I have all my kanchi pattu sarees wrapped in pillow covers or bed sheets. So that's where all my kanchi pattu sarees are, and in one pillow cover I was able to wrap like 2 or 3 sarees, and I very well know in which one my what saree is. So yeah, they are all very safely wrapped there. So you guys, that is my Indian closet tour. I hope you liked it. I hope you got some tips, and if you have any tips that you follow for your closet, please let me know in the comments below. And it's all tightly packed. I really don't have any more room for anything new. So my parents are coming over in a couple of months, and they're bringing some more things. I'm not sure where I'm going to fit them. All I am left with is that floor space. I'm really happy how I organized it. I'm able to see everything. I'm able to use everything. I'm able to visualize my outfits right here. So I'm happy with how it turned out. But do let me know if you have any organizing tips, or let me know what you liked in my closet. So you guys, how do you like my Indian closet? Do let me know in the comments below. And also, if you have any organization tips that you follow, let me know in the comments below, and I would love to know them, and also a lot of people would benefit from those comments. So do let me know in the comments below. And that is a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button, and also do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I'm deepikamakeup. That's where I'm sharing all my Indian outfits, my saree looks, and any outfits in general. That is where I'm sharing. So do follow me there. I'm Deepika Makeup, and that's a wrap. I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.